Excuse me. Good grief. Right as soon as I hit record. Joe with Joe's Gold Garage. What's up, everybody? Man, I'm just out fronting in the 2005 Lincoln Town Car. Yeah, I think I've only got one little video on this thing. I have not driven this thing or enjoyed it like I should have for the past 5 months that I've had it for sale. I don't know why, I just haven't. And it's a delight. I mean, it is a freaking rapper's delight. Man, it drives so good, and I don't know why I haven't been out in it much. But yeah, I'm just sitting here cruising, got the AC blowing, nice and cold. There she is, she's 5450. No, I got somebody coming at 6 o'clock tonight to take a look at her. He's driving quite a distance too, other side of Tennessee. So I'm sure he's a serious buyer if he's coming that far. So I'm just getting her out, getting her washed, cleaned up, putting a little gas in her. You know, just kind of checking everything over because I really haven't spent any time in this car like I should have. I mean, I don't know why. I just didn't. Because these things get pretty good gas mileage. I mean, it's not like it's a gas hog. It would have been fun to commute back and forth to home in. But anyway, here she is. It's a Signature Limited. And it's got the nice THX stereo and navigation, which I've got the fuse, a blown fuse in that right now, and I've run by the parts store and gotten a new fuse. I just haven't put it in yet, so I've got to do that. And like I said, just checking all the fluids and getting her washed and just giving her the once over before the guy takes a look at her. So anyway, I'm just going to do a little highway freeway cruising. It's not going to be very high speed. This is a 55 mile per hour winding road here. But we'll just kind of take the little town car. She's got 170,000 miles. I mean, unbelievable. And just drives, well, just like you would imagine a big old town car would drive. No air suspension problems with this one. If it's ever had any, they've been addressed. It does have the actual system. It hasn't been retrofitted because I do hear the compressor from time to time, but I believe the airbags have been replaced at least once because the pump doesn't run that often, and that's a telltale sign you need airbags when your pump runs all the time. And she never sinks down. Like, I mean, literally leave her sitting outside for a month, you know, she doesn't leak down. So yeah, so anyway, let's just take a little ride. I'll shut up a minute. It's a nice car, y'all. I mean, she's clean like a new one. headed back into downtown Chattanooga. Man, she's a cruiser baby. Man. Just rides and drives so good. Wish they still made these big old cars. Golly. They were pretty awesome. I should be keeping this thing instead of selling it. I don't know what the hell I'm thinking. But anyway, here's to hoping she sells this afternoon. Y'all wish me luck. Like, comment, subscribe. And we'll see y'all with the next one, whatever that may be. Peace.